why every entrepreneur needs to learn to invest. No matter how many businesses you run, every entrepreneur needs to learn how to invest. I always make sure to find time to read or watch investment videos so that I can allocate time to invest. This week, I would like to share with you a few of my tips about investing. Access to good profits can help building an amazing wealth future. This is a message I often share with everyone I meet. Learning to invest for the long term is something that anyone can do as long as they have the desire to succeed. My advice? Start investing right now to build a secure future. Take control of your financial destiny and make your money work for you. Don't waste another minute. And remember, investing is not just for the wealthy or for the experts. It is for anyone who aspires to create wealth and secure their financial future. Start today and reap the rewards tomorrow. Follow for my next video, Where to Invest.